this package just arrived, and I think this is Sebastian's giveaway for his birthday. So I'm really excited to open this. Hi, say hi. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I'm cute. I cannot. It's so cute. This is your bag, baby. Look at the navy blue. It's so cute. Hi. So my baby is finally asleep and it's currently 7:42 in the evening. Dapat kahapon ko pa to ginawa. Pero hindi ko siya nagawa kasi wala lang. Tinamad ako. I need to print Sebastian's sticker, chip bag, and thank you card. Before I start, gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung nabili ko from Be Happy Crafts. So, I bought their chip bag bundle, and ito yung kasama sa bundle. First is this huge paper crimper. I have the small one. Pero ito, sobrang tagal na nito sa wishlist ko. Actually, ito yung pinakamahal sa bundle. So yeah. Buntis pa lang ako kay Seb. Nasa cart ko na to. And his birthday was the perfect excuse para i-check out ko tong item na to. Next is itong double-sided tape. It comes in two. I also bought this separately, by the way. It's also a double-sided tape, pero mas manipis siya. Wait lang, I'll show you. Nito kakapal yung kasama sa bundle, and ito yung binili ko separately. So next is these pinking scissors. Ito yung pa-zigzag na scissors. And the last item in the bundle is the photo paper. Nakabili na ako nito before. Ginagamit ko siya. Hindi ako sure anong tawag niya. Parang backing paper sa OPP na plastic. Tapos may paper sa likod. And then yung pinaka-item mo andun. Maganda siya na paper kasi manipis lang siya. And madami na. These also came in just yesterday. Ito naman is nabili ko from Quav. So, suki na talaga ako sa Quav. Ever since I started my small printing business, sa Quav na talaga ako lagi bumibili. Yung papers ko, yung sticker papers, photo tops, kung ano-ano pa. Doon ko rin nabili yung laminating machine, yung die cut na cutter ko. So far, so good naman. Sobrang bilis ng delivery nila. The first one I bought is this matte photo top. Next is this sticker paper. Ito rin subok na subok ko na. I've been using this for my orders and then for personal projects as well. Matagal siya matanggal. Waterproof din siya, lalo na pag nilalagyan mo ng matte photo paper. And so, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung gawa ko. So, I use both of these, itong paper and then the photo pop for this sticker and this sticker as well. Ilang beses na itong nababasa. My baby likes to ganyan-ganyan. Pero so far, hindi pa naman siya natatanggal. Also with this 3 stickers, yung Seb, same paper din yung ginamit ko. Pag nagasgasan siya, it's very obvious. So compare dito sa dalawa. I'm just going to restart my computer. Alam niyo ba guys, I have a very complicated relationship with my printer. Kasi somehow nakakasend siya pag nagmamadali ako. Hi! Mic test, mic test.
Oh my goodness, we finally have a mic.
Konti na lang at matutupad na rin yung fantasy ko. So this just arrived yesterday, pero ngayon ko lang siya na unbox. Sit down, sit down. You're rocking the boat. Oops. How are you today? I know this is not food. You say hi. You say puka puka puka.
Burger. Burger.
Sit down, sit down. You're rocking the boat. Hi, baby. No, don't go there, please. Di na kadane? Dili na, no? I'm gonna use the magnet thingy. Kakapit ko siya sa shirt ko kasi it's not ideal to carry this while my baby is awake. Been busy for the past 2 days kasi naayos ko yung mga giveaways ni Sab for his first birthday. He's turning 1 this Monday. Hi, baby. Say hi. He is turning 1 na. Ooh.